So what do you think of the transplant, Robert?
It was really great. I'm so glad with the results, and I highly recommend the procedure. Um, yeah, I'm really glad, and thank you so much.
So this is Robert. 7 months ago he had a follicular unit excision for the front part of the scalp. He was a Norwood 4. As you can see here is a Norwood 4 pattern. So balding of the interior one half of the scalp. And we proceeded and did an FUE excision for 2800 grafts. And you can see the results at 7 months. So he came to see us in follow-up, and you can see that we've got a good density. The hairline is natural. It's a good density. Chin down, please. And the curly hair makes it carries right the way through, because that's what he was initially, and there's imperceptible continuation between this is the transplanted hair till about here, and then chin down, please. And this is his natural hair. So it's a very good continuum. And let's look at the back, please. Because it is FUE, you can see there's no evidence of scarring as you would expect with an FUE. And let's turn around, please. So what do you think of the transplant, Robert?
It was really great. I'm so glad with the results, and I highly recommend the procedure. Yeah, I'm really glad, and thank you so much.
And what did your friends, wife, how was that for you?
Yeah, so they were really surprised and happy to see how things are. Much better compared to my old version.
You feel it gave you more confidence? How did you feel about it?
Yeah, I feel more confident for sure, and I also feel more like myself.
So you're glad you got it done?
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much.